Yo, what's good, guys? It's Saturday, December 10th, and going for a little drive. Today, it's been, or actually the past week, it's past few days, it's been really cold, like in the teens in terms of temperatures. But today we're supposed to be getting some snow, like around 5 inches of snow. So maybe later today, if I get some footage, I'll get some footage recorded of some snow, maybe in an empty parking lot, and see what and, you know, kind of drift around and stuff. But everything's going good. I wanted to say that yesterday I had my battery die on me. Basically, I went to go start the car. It was probably about 15 degrees outside, and it just wouldn't crank. It would just click, like click, 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 and it wouldn't even crank or anything. And I know these cars require a lot of voltage, all the electronics and stuff. But yeah, so I jump started. It started right away, no problems. Yeah, I just wanted to note that let's see, I've had this car for I think over 2.5 years now, but I was kind of surprised. So maybe one of these days, if it ever happens again, I'll take it to the Subaru dealership and see if the battery is still covered under warranty. But yeah, that was kind of surprising. I don't know if anyone else had that issue with the colder temperatures, whether you're in New York or wherever else has the colder climates, Canada and stuff. But yeah, I was kind of surprised about that. I wasn't expecting that. But other than that, the car's been good. I do have another issue. Whenever I clutch in with the clutch, it kind of makes a weird sound, like kind of like it's something like that needs to be lubricated. I guess that was a new little issue I had that kind of came about. I don't hear it right now, but yesterday, every time I was clutching in, it would make like a clucking sound. Like basically, I'd clutch in, but then like towards the bottom, it would make like a weird clucking sound that I would hear. I don't know if anyone else had an issue. I think I remember last time in the garage, he was doing something with his clutch pedal, because I think he had an issue with that too. But I just wanted to note that too. So that, the battery, and I think that's about it. Besides, some rattles here and there, which is normal in the winter time. But other than that, car's been doing good. Right now, I'm actually on the stock tune because I'm going to be taking my car to the Subaru dealership pretty soon. I'm going to have them check out the battery, see if everything's okay. And also, pretty soon I got to change the brake fluid in my car too at 30,000 miles. But I'm just on the stock tune right now, so I don't know, just decided to try it because in the wintertime I haven't really been on the boost that much, and I don't know, I just figured why not just try something different. But so far it seems pretty good. It seems fine. No problems. I mean, I'm not really like hard on the throttle that much in the wintertime, and also because of the lower temperatures, the car does feel a little bit faster depending on how cold it is. I mean, when it's in the teens, it's kind of just like, I don't know, it's not really noticeable if it's faster or not, because it's almost to the point where the engine's so cold that it's hard for it to produce the same amount of power it would on like maybe like a day worth at 50 degrees. But, yeah. So yeah, on the stock tune, it'll probably just be temporary. Maybe later this week I'll go back to the stage 1 MA performance manufacturing tune. But as you can see, the snow that happened a few days ago, let's see, that was actually last week. It was on Sunday. It's still on the ground because the temperatures have been so cold. So I guess now we're gonna pile on some more snow as it snows later today. Hopefully I can get some footage and record something kind of cool just to change things up. But other than that, everything's going good. Besides those 2 issues I mentioned with the car, I don't know if anyone else had those issues, but just wanted to mention that. That was something new that hasn't really came about. And I guess that's about it. So I guess I'll close the video now, and maybe later today, after it snows, I'll get some more footage recorded. So thanks for watching, and see you guys around. Peace out. Stop, check out this GTR I saw parking lot. Pretty nice. Nice BMW too. I've seen this on the road before, but I never got to see it in person. Pretty nice car though. Just thought I'd show that too. Here's mine, all dirty. Wintertime. Anyways, I'll continue this video a little later when it snows. Peace out. What's good, guys? Continue my vlog. The snow's starting to come down a little bit more now than it was earlier. Got a white WRX coming past me on my left. Oh, he was, but now he's behind me. Probably like 2000. Oh, it's an STI. It's probably like an earlier 2011 or later one. Anyway, Anyways, the snow's come down a little bit more than it was earlier, and there's a lot of traffic out. People are doing their holiday shopping early. I just had to stop at Best Buy to get a new car charger for my phone. The cable thing that plugs into the USB in my Galaxy S6, it kind of wore out, so I had to get a new one. But it was no big deal. So I went there and I got to see the GTR, which is kind of cool. But other than that, things are going good. Just a medium winter day. And yeah, snow's going to slowly pile on. Well, I will continue this video a little bit later when there's more things to film, so I'll see you guys around. Guys, see, here's the progression of the winter snow. It's still Saturday, nighttime now, but I want to show you how everything's looking out here at my girlfriend's house. We're gonna go to the gym with her now, but just wanted to show you getting more snow as we speak, and probably more on tonight. But when I go home later tonight, I'll make a video of me driving home, and we'll go on from there. So see you guys around. Winter snow back again. Yo guys, what's good? It's about 10:22 at night, and I'm driving up from my girlfriend's house. So the aftermath of snow wasn't so bad. I think there's probably about maybe 4 or 5 inches of snow total so far, maybe a little bit more overnight. I'm just gonna drive home and see how everything goes. So yeah, previously what I talked about was the battery being discharged one night. It was actually last night. The temperatures were in the teens. I don't know if it's because of the lower temperatures or maybe I have a battery problem. Like I said, I've had this car for over 2.5 years. It's getting close to 3 years, but not quite there yet. But I don't know if it was just maybe because of the colder temperatures, but I've never had that happen ever before, so it was kind of new to me. I had also the clutch squeak. I never heard before, and it just happened just recently. And so, you know, wintertime, obviously, things probably need lubrication and stuff. So I'm not sure if it's just something in the pedal that needs to be adjusted or what, but maybe it's something I'll address with the dealer sometime soon when I go to it. But yeah, just gonna drive home. I'm not gonna do anything too crazy. I don't want to, you know, have problems on the road or cause problems on the road. If I can find an empty parking lot, it'd be nice, but I also don't want to get pulled over. So I'm gonna put it on the traction thing, this thing that shows you when you lose traction on the wheels and stuff, just to see how things go with the car as I drive home. It's already cops' house. I'm glad I didn't do anything over there. The cop is sitting right there waiting to catch someone doing something. Current mileage on the car, 27,343. So slowly getting higher with the miles. And I guess the dealer did say at 30,000 miles you do have to exchange the brake fluid, so I might have to probably take it in maybe by the time winter's over or before it's over, get that done. I don't think it's a huge important thing, but I guess that's one thing that they mentioned to me. And then I'm also going to get the battery checked out next time I take my car to the dealer, which will be pretty soon, which is why I went back to stock to get that addressed. I set up my camera for a low lighting, so hopefully it picks up the night shot a little bit better. Previously I only had it on auto, so this time it might have a better overall shot. So I guess you guys can let me know in the feedback, or I'll probably see when I check out the footage. I'll probably be uploading this tonight, so it'll probably be up like late at night. Oh, a little drift. I got everything right. I have the traction on and all that stuff, so I don't want to cause any trouble on the road. So I just figured I'd leave everything on just to be safe. Now, if I had an empty parking lot or like a road with no cars on it, then yeah, I could turn it off and have a little fun. But right now, I'd rather keep it safe. Don't want to mess up my car for sure. I'm wearing a really heavy winter jacket, so that's why I got the temperature's so low, it gets so hot with this wool coat. It's pretty cool. I don't know if you guys also notice, like sometimes when you got the heat on this thing, even when it's like not even that high, like it just gets really intensely hot in the car sometimes. I don't know what the deal is, but it's something I've noticed in the wintertime. Maybe it's because I got the frost on, probably. Sometimes it just gets super hot in here. Turning on to Route 59 now, and I'm sure the roads there will be a little bit more clear, so once I get off of here, it'll probably be a little bit more less snowy. The roads are a little slick, which makes it for a more interesting trip, I guess. I've got a Dodge Challenger next, or I think it's a Challenger. Assuming he's got winter tires. Yeah, it does feel a little dirty even with everything on. I'm surprised. I think it's like there's a slick surface on the road. So yeah, it might be a long trip home. I probably won't record the whole thing, but just wanted to show you their overall conditions after the snowstorm. Of course, things are only going to get worse. I guess they said that this winter in the Chicago area, I live in the suburbs of Naperville and Plainfield, but they said this winter is supposed to be really harsh. Like compared to last winter, they said it was mild. So I guess there will be plenty of opportunities to make videos of me in heavy snow and go on from there. But you know, probably just gonna drive home, take it easy, drive safe, and not cause problems. Even though I do want to kind of go into the parking lot and just kind of screw around, but it's probably best to avoid it, you know. But yeah, I'm just gonna drive home, and I will cut the camera. But as always, guys, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for the likes, subscriptions, and as always, if you have a question or comment, feel free to leave me one, and I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. Have a good night. Be careful out there. Peace out.